Are you getting ready for college placements? Or are you a fresher looking for the job? Here is the best structured approach to help you get ready. If you are preparing for job interview for any of the role or in any company, you are in the right place to learn now. Please stay tuned till end of this video. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel CareerHub. I am on the mission to help and support people who are eagerly looking to get a job. If you are new to this channel, please make sure to hit on the subscribe button and stay tuned till end of this video. Okay, let's get started. The first one is understanding the interview process. We should do the research on the companies. Understand the companies visiting your campus, their recruitment process and the roles they are hiring for. And also we should know the timeline. Be aware of the dates for the pre-placement talks or any written test or any group discussions and the actual interviews. Now the second one is preparing your resume. This is very important for any of the interview and it is very critical. Tailoring your resume is very important. You have to customize your resume for different companies and highlighting the skills and experiences most relevant to the job you are applying for. If you are applying for a software developer role, for example, highlight your coding projects, programming skills and relevant internships. And you have to make sure the resume is free from the errors and easy to read. Use tools like Grammarly to check for grammar and spelling errors. And the most important one is you have to keep the resume updated. Add recent achievements like winning a hackathon or completing a relevant online course, or it can be like include all your recent projects, internships and other achievements. Now, the third one is aptitude and technical test. Practice regularly. Use online platforms and books to practice quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning and verbal ability. Use websites like IndiaBix or books like Quantitative Aptitude for competitive examinations. And brush up on your core subjects and technical skills. Use textbooks, online courses and practice problems. Revisit your course materials on subjects like data structure, algorithms and database management systems, etc. Fourth one is technical preparation. Understand the job requirements. Know the technical skills required for the role and prepare accordingly. If the role requires knowledge of Java or Python or any other languages, make sure you are comfortable with all the languages. Work on the projects. Showcase your practical knowledge throughout the project. Be ready to discuss them in detail. If you have built any web applications or any services, app services, be prepared to explain its architecture and technologies used and your contributions. And schedule your mock interviews with the seniors, or you can use the platforms like Pramp or InterviewBit. Fifth one is group discussions. Stay updated. Read newspapers, watch the news, and also you can be aware of current affairs. And practicing the GD topics, like you can engage in group discussions with your peers or friends on various topics to improve your communication skills and confidence. Organize mock GDs with friends on topics like maybe impact of AI on the job or the trends happening on the AI or the climate change policies, etc. You can choose any of the topics and you can discuss with your friends or any other groups. And you should be very polite and assertive while answering to the interviewer. Practice being very polite yet assertive during the discussions. Learn to make your points concisely. So now comes the sixth one, personal interviews. So in the personal interviews, I can say we can start with the HR interview. Here you can prepare very well for the common HR questions like tell me about yourself, or why do you want to join this company, or where do you see yourself in next 5 years, and what are your weakness or what are your strengths, something like that. And next one is the behavioral questions. You can use the STAR method. Say a situation, task, action and result method to answer all the behavioral questions. And technical interview, as we are already covered, be ready to explain your projects, internships and any technical skills mentioned in your resume. Prepare for coding questions, algorithms, data structure and other core subjects relevant to your field. Be ready to write code on your whiteboard or share your screen to solve the problems. For example, if they ask write a function to reverse a linked list, you should be able to write the code to showcase to the interviewer. And practice with the mock interviews to get comfortable with the interview setting. Use platforms like interviewing.io or lead code for technical mock interviews. Seventh is soft skills. So in this, communication is very much important. Work on your verbal and non-verbal communication skills. Clear, concise and confident communication is the key. Join a public speaking clubs to improve your verbal communications. And also on body language, maintain a good posture, eye contact and a positive mindset. Practice interviews using the mirror. Practice the interviews questions or answering in front of the mirror so that you will become more confident day by day. Also, practice active listening to understand the questions fully before you answer them. Eighth one is networking. Connect with your alumni. Reach out to alumni who have been through the placement process for insights and tips. Reach out on LinkedIn to all your seniors who are now working at different companies if you are interested in, and ask for informational interviews. Attend workshops and seminars. Participate in pre-placement talks, workshops and seminars conducted by the companies and placement cells. Participate in events organized by your college placement cells or industry meetups. The last one is ninth one. Stay positive and confident. Positive mindset, it's very important. We should have a positive attitude throughout the preparation process. Practice positive affirmations and mindfulness techniques. Stay healthy, ensure you get enough rest, eat well and exercise to keep your mind and body in good condition. I hope these tips helped you all in many ways. Like and follow me for more interview tips. Thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button. Thank you.